Welcome students to our spelling netcast. For some of you, you'll be doing sort number 3 right here, and sort number 3 is adding ing properly to words. Let's make sure that you are prepared. Make sure you have your Ziploc bag with you. Make sure you have a pair of scissors so you can cut out your words. You need a pencil to write with, and you need your notebook so that you can write your spelling words in it. Alright, let's go ahead and begin. Let's go ahead and start by cutting out your spelling words. Welcome back, students. You've had time now to cut out your word chips and kind of organize yourself, make sure you have everything that you need. Let's go ahead and next, let's take your heading. This is your heading again, sort 3, adding ing to words. Let's go ahead and take your glue stick and run a bead of glue across the back. Make sure you put enough on there so it'll stick, and then let's go ahead and make our heading very clear. Let's make it known that we're doing sort 3, adding ing to words this week. Okay, very good. After you've done that, let's go ahead and start placing our exemplars at the top. Alright, now I'm just going to go down about 2 lines, maybe 3 lines, and then I'm going to actually write what they are. So I'm going to go V, C, and little e. Okay. Next, go ahead and find your E drop, and let's go ahead and add it to the mix again. Drop it down below, and then above it write what it is. So I'm going to go E, don't forget your hyphen, and then drop. Okay, there we go. Make sure you're writing nice and neatly. Next, go ahead and find the exemplar that says VVC, which stands for vowel, vowel, consonant, right? You guys know that from last year. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and write nothing. We'll talk about what that means. Okay. Alright. Alright, I might want to draw some lines down to kind of separate the different columns. Alright. Okay, let's go ahead and look at some of our words. Go ahead and find the word chip that has the word use on it, and let's see where use fits. Like, we use the tools to fix the vehicle. Okay, use. Well, it looks like we have a vowel, we have a consonant, and then we have probably a silent E. So it looks like this is going to be placed in or under this exemplar. So let's go ahead and maybe skip a line, and then let's write the word use. Okay, so say the word, and then check to make sure you have placed it under the proper exemplar as you go. Once again, use, we have a vowel, we have a consonant, and then we have a silent E. Alright, so now that we've got that, let's put it off to the side. Let's go to another one. Let's go ahead and grab using, and let's see where it'll fit best. Alright, we have a vowel, we have a consonant. What's different between these two? They're awfully close, but there's something missing. Isn't that interesting? Could it be that when we add ing, we must drop the E? Interesting. This must go under E drop, because when we add ing, we drop the E and add ing. So let's go ahead and put that under the E drop. U, S, I, N, G. So we have use, which is a vowel, consonant, silent E, and when we add ing, we have to drop the E, and then we can add ing. Interesting. All right. Let's come over here and let's go ahead and pick up our next word. And our next word is eat. Well, it looks like we have two vowels in a row. So it looks like it's going to be under vowel, vowel, consonant. All right, so let's go ahead and place it there. So we have a vowel, and we have our consonant. Okay. All right, and then, again, it's important that you say the words as you write them. Our next word is eating, eating. And it looks like we have an ing here, but this involves an E drop, and we don't have an E here, do we? We don't have a silent E. So it looks like this one must fall under the nothing. Maybe that means we don't have to drop anything. There's nothing dropped. So let's go ahead and write that under this exemplar. E-A-T, it's important that you spell it as you go, I-N-G. Okay, so let's review what we have learned so far. When we have our base word, or our main word, like use, when we add ing to this type of word that has a silent E, when we add ing, what do? We drop the E. We don't see that E anymore, do we? But if we come over here and look at this base word of eat, E-A-T, which falls under the vowel, vowel, consonant exemplar, this base word doesn't have an E at the end. There's no silent E. So when that happens, nothing changes to the vowel, vowel, consonant part of it. All we have to do is add the ing. Isn't that pretty cool? All right, students, I'd like you to go ahead and proceed. Go ahead and sort the rest of your words. Say the word, find the proper exemplar that it fits under, and go ahead and write it. Again, students, it's important that when we do spelling, that we don't spell just to spell. It's important that we understand the exemplars, the sounds, and the sounds that they make. Okay? Proceed. All right, students, in conclusion, after you've finished sorting and saying all of your spelling words for this week, it's important that you take all of your spelling words and put them back into your Ziploc bag so that you can have them ready to go. In case we do some activity in class, you'll have them ready to sort, whether it's a lay and say or a speed sort or whatever else we ask you to do. All right. Again, in conclusion, the reason that we're doing spelling is to make us better readers and writers. So when we spell better, we read better, and we write better. All right? We think the world of you. Please be prepared, have this done, and we'll see you soon. Till later. Bye.